And most of the directors whom I worked with, I have a good rapport with them and are quite interesting to work with. I mean, to name, everybody has been really good with me, and some of them are very close friends of mine. So I enjoy working with all these people.
உனக்கு எனக்கு தான் பிரச்சனை. வா வெச்சிக்கலாம். மேல வா. வெட்ட வெளியில ஒரு அடி கூட மிஸ் ஆகாது. வா. வா.
An art director's job doesn't end with just creating sets. I mean, you contribute a lot by being with them and trying to understand what their needs are. I mean, suppose if a cinematographer needs a specific thing to be added, I mean, it's your job to either understand him and explain to him why you didn't have it, or understand him and create what he needs. So it's a teamwork. So all of us work hand in hand to create a good visual. So everybody's input is very important in a film. Sometime back, ancient cinema, art director was everything in a film. I mean, because everything happened inside a studio. There were at least 40 to 50 studios in the same road as Arcot Road, but now we are hardly left with just two studios and 3 floors, everything put together. So the dearth of good set work has come down, but still now the art direction part of filmmaking is picked up really well. I mean, in between, everybody went outdoor and they shot in like real locations. Now they're coming back to studios. It's really picked up. So a lot of films happen inside studio, but still, I mean, because we don't have like studio spaces, people go out to look out. I mean, people go look out for godowns and other big open halls to do sets there, and it's kind of worked. Using eco-friendly material is possible to an extent, but we try to use materials that don't spoil nature and other things around, so we try to limit them. But things like plaster of Paris is very essential to do sets, which is not eco-friendly. So, but we are forced to use it. But I try to avoid using it to the maximum. Like for example, when you're doing a set for Edama River in Coimbatore, there was a lot of issue about we doing a set in a lake. But actually, we didn't do anything with the lake. I mean, we created sets only in the periphery. But one set was created in the water. I saw to it that everything was washed before it was put into water. Everything was pre-casted before and cleaned before it went into water and stuck there. But still there was a lot of issue, and I didn't want any issues, so we lost a lot of money in the deal, and we removed it and re-erected it elsewhere.
It's all over now. எனக்கு கல்யாணம் அரேஞ்ச் பண்றாங்க. நீ வந்தல்ல அதே சர்ச்ல. என்ன பண்ண சொல்ற கார்த்திக்?
கல்யாணம் பண்ணிடுச்சு. இவனும் பர்மிஷன் கேட்க வரல.
Well, we've started Rana. Rana will completely be shot on floors, indoor locations, except some portions in the outdoors. Very little portions in the outdoors. So mostly it will be on sets. It's a period film from the 17th century. So a lot of research and a lot of sketches have gone into it. A lot of visual concept artists and a lot of 3D modeling people have helped me in creating designs and like sets for that. It will be a mega affair. It will be huge sets that's to be created for this film. Oh, mega thrilled working with Mr. Rajani sir. I mean, he's an icon himself, and it's a lot of pleasure working with him. And he's fun to be with. He's always there, and happy I'm doing this project. Except Minnale, I've done all of Gautam's films, and I'm by default in his projects. I'm working on his Hindi project also. We haven't named the film yet. It's a remake of Vinay Thandi Varuvaya, starring Pratik Babar and Amy Jackson. Still, I mean, again going to the same location where we shot the Tamil film, except we placed the script in Mumbai than Chennai. The house and the roads, everything has been shot in Mumbai. I mean, working with Gautam is very easy to work with him. I mean, he doesn't demand a lot of things. And I mean, he just tells you the stuff that he needs, and then he stays back. And then it's left to you to create what's needed for the film. So in that way, I've been really lucky to work with Gautam, where my ideas could be used extensively in his work, and he's happy about it. I mean, he's clear on what he wants, and the rest is left to us to decide. I mean, be it cinematography, be it editing. I mean, this is his film. This is how it has to be, and the rest, whatever improvement, whatever better things you can put into it, it's left to you. I mean, with that, there's a lot of scope to work with him. I mean, right from his Kaka Kaka first film from that wood house till his recent Vinay Thandi Varuvaya and Nadalin Sinayagal, that house where we created, everything has been to what I want to do, so which he likes. So I'm really happy working with him. I mean, toughest. I mean, every film is tough to work with. I mean, and every film is easy to work with also. I mean, it's just how you understand. It's just I mean, if you look at it as another job, it's just another job. So it's like going to an office every day. That's how I felt working on films. Every job is tough and every job is easy also, and it's fun to be with. I mean, I like doing art direction. I love doing art direction, and I'm doing what I like. So I don't think it's tough in any way. Hey everybody, thank you for watching me on BehindWoods.com. Thank you.